Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to achieve Zayn Malik's iconic hairstyle. First, the foundation is crucial. You'll want to ask your barber for a specific fade, often a skin fade or a low fade, ensuring a sharp contrast. The top section of your hair should be left significantly longer, ideally between 3 and 5 inches, to allow for various styling options. This initial cut sets the stage for replicating his distinct looks, so clear communication with your stylist is key for the perfect starting point. Once you have the right cut, selecting the correct styling products is your next step. Begin with a pre-styling product, such as a sea salt spray, applied to damp hair to build natural texture and volume. Next, a strong-hold matte pomade or wax is essential for shaping and defining the hair, giving it that signature, structured yet natural finish. Finally, a light application of hairspray will help lock your style in place throughout the day, ensuring it remains perfect for many hours. Now for the actual styling. After applying your pre-styler, blow dry your hair using a brush, directing it upwards and backwards to maximize volume and lift. Once dry, take a small, pea-sized amount of your matte pomade or wax and warm it between your palms. Distribute this evenly through your hair, focusing on the roots and working your way to the tips. Then, sculpt the front section upwards and slightly to one side, creating that distinctive quiff that defines many of his looks. To keep your Zayn Malik-inspired hairstyle looking sharp, maintenance is key. Regularly wash your hair with a clarifying shampoo to remove any product buildup, which can weigh down your style. Schedule trims every 3 to 4 weeks with your barber to ensure the fade remains crisp and the top length is perfectly maintained. For overnight protection, consider sleeping on a silk pillowcase. It helps reduce friction and frizz, keeping your hair smoother and ready for styling the next morning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.